Gabi. Start left pa tayo. Left. Nakita mo.
Ang dami nilang kasama.
H-O-L-I-D-A-Y under skies of gold. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y let the good times roll. Throw those papers in the air, the school days are gone. Sunlight on the boulevard, the summer's coming on. We got nowhere we should be, nowhere else to run. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, we're living for the sun. Cherry soda by the beer, music in the air, writing little secret signs and drawing everywhere. Barefoot on the boardwalk, hearts as light as sea. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, just you and me. Laughing with the radio, turning up the sound. Every little moment makes the whole world spin around. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, hear the summer come, dancing through the daylight, having it all. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y.
Picture yan. Ang sakit sa mata. Video ba yan? Hindi ko nakikita, love.
Hindi mo makikita.
Ah! Maganda, di ba? Nag-video na naman siya. Ano tayo, love?
Siyempre sulitin na natin. Hanggang ngayon lang ako.
Huwag mo kasi sasabihin yan. Ba't sinasabi mo yan?
Bukas uwi na ako, girl. Ganun bigla.
Ah, girl! Sige ha, endgame natin, tropa. Tropa ka sa akin, sige. Pag pinakita, Kenji, tatropahin mo pa.
Walang ganun.
Napitin ang mga nyo. Charing. Kita ba ako? Ako na magawa. Kasi nahihirapan.
Tapos,
Ganon?
sa kabila.
Araw. Welcome to my vlog.
Tapos pwede mo siyang ano, pag gusto mo ng kung ano yung harap.
Paano?
Pili mo lang. Pili mo lang,
Tapi
ganun.
mo.
Tapos,
Mga tumatakbo. Love. Gapa naman. Para kanino yan?
Casa Forever.
Ako po yun hindi kayo. Wala pa yung wala pa yung kalabaw.
May kalabaw din dito?
Oo nga, yun nga yung nag-ano dyan, yung pupunta dyan. Kalabaw, ano ba tawag ng iba? Basta kalabaw, kapatid ng kalabaw.
Kapatid ng kalabaw. Sino yun? Baka may pinsan din yun.
Basta yun kalabaw.
Cause of my jealousy, that's all I can see.
Every time you're close to me, you bring the fire out in me.
Baby, can you let me know? Come a little closer, talk to me slow. If we ride together, you should know this could last forever. Don't let go.
Last night I thought of you, all the things we used to do.
Dream until the morning light, wishing you were by my side.
Show me love one more time.
Give me a reason to ease my mind.
Let me feel your heart tonight. I give you all my love. It's 'cause of my jealousy.
That's what I can see.
You and me together, baby. That's where I wanna be.
All I know is how you feel. Your touch makes it all so real.
Everything is better, baby, when we move together. Still.
Yeah. My girl, I need you through the night. Hold me close and make it right. DJ, play that perfect vibe. Let the rhythm bring us back to life.
Can you tell me honestly?
It's forever what
You see with me.
Come and put your hand in mine. Love like this is hard to find.
You and I got chemistry. Pull me under like the sea.
Flowing deeper in my mind.
You're the only one I need. 'Cause of my jealousy.
That's what I can see.
That's what I can see. You and me together, baby. That's where I wanna be.
All I know is how you feel. Your touch makes it all so real.
Tapos tingin tayo dun sa harap. Sa harap.
Harap. Pwede yung harap, diba?
Hindi, yung harap doon. Kaya lang medyo mainit. Yun naman tayo sa harap. Mas tama yung design.
Thank you. Ja, thank you. Tot jee. Vielen Dank.
Sorry.
Video ba? Ano?
Ah,
Yan na, paano? Paano?
Bakit?
Wala na. Wala ka ng mukha ko dito.
Naka-ano kasi.
Kasi wala.
Ako po yun. Gusto nga natin yung stick. Oh.
Kaya na, kaya na. Love. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Hindi ko alam kung
Ito
saan
yung
ako
camera.
titingin.
Pero nakatingin ka na dito, okay na yun.
Okay na yan. Okay na.
Baka tumingin sa screen.
Wait lang, labang init. Mainit talaga. Ang init sa earth. Mainit tayo.
Ganda ng view dun, oh.
Ha? Ganda, no? Lantaw. Yan yung Lantaw Island. Ay, nakasarado ko. Ito ka ba? Pa kasi. Close din ata.
Exit mo.
Ha?
Exit mo, diba? Okay lang yun. Ano ba sa ba? Ayun.
Ay, nakasarado ko.
Hindi mo na tayo? Ano yan?
Ha?
Pwede ba dyan?
Ano?
Dito? Ano daan yan?
Parang mas fresco doon kanina.
Daan?
Doon.
Dito hindi?
Parang mas fresco doon.
Sige. Oo, ganun talaga ako.
Super cold Coke. Super cold.
Kasi lang yung mga bagay na pwede mong mabalikan.
Daddy, you like? Hati tayo. 3. How much?